most people in our industry don't have an engineering degree. I don't know how they can do it without it.
I was going to say.
Because there's a lot of stormwater design that goes into looking at a site. You know, you need to make sure that that water sheds correctly or you have big problems. So I always look at it with that eye. So we don't give our customers problems down the road.
Yeah, I can imagine if you've got somebody that's a short path, but somebody starts, it'll freeze and then turn ice where they wouldn't expect it because it should have ran off if this wasn't engineered correctly. And so now you've got a very slippery situation that can cause lawsuits to start happening with people. They don't have these kind of things because it wasn't potentially engineered properly. You guys are
That's correct. It's just not the asphalt, it's also what's underneath it. Does it have proper rock base? Was it compacted well underneath? And you want to check out the subgrade, which is the soil. All those things can shift, and that can create a future problem.
I'm gathering why it's important to have an engineering degree. It's not simple as just putting some tar down and asphalt and making it work. You didn't realize water has such an impact on the roads and asphalt in particular because
we don't want to have any areas that have any kind of depth of water standing there, because for one thing it does deteriorate your asphalt quicker there, but also it causes issues when it freezes. So you've got a lot of slippery ice on your driveway. You can actually have it too flat, and in our industry it's not a perfect medium to work with, so you have to make sure that things are at a 2% slope if you can.
Well, that engineering background obviously has a lot to do with the professionalism that you're bringing to the table, and it really sets you guys